Hi! In this short video I will show you how easy it is to duplicate any skill in your chatbot in ActiveChat and how to customize it for lead generation campaigns that will be tailored to different use cases or ad campaigns. Let's say we have our lead generation sequence in this lead gen 1 skill. This skill is asking the customer for his name, then the name of his or her company, then for the email, phone number, and then sends the data to your team with a lead block. Let's say I have another lead generation campaign that doesn't need a phone number or company name and just needs customer's first name and email. So I'll duplicate this whole lead generation flow in another skill and then customize it to fit my needs. I'm right-clicking the skill tab and then choose duplicate skill. You can see that a new skill was created and it has a technical name of lead gen 1 and then copy with some ID. I can customize this name, but most important, what I have to do now is to change the event that triggers that skill. Currently it is the same event, lead gen 1, that is triggering lead gen 1 skill. So when this event will be triggered in your chatbot, these two skills will start running simultaneously. Definitely this is not something that we want to achieve, since messages will be duplicated. So first of all, I'm switching to my new skill, copy it. First of all, let's rename it. I click edit skill and change the name to lead gen 2, let's say. And then I click this catch block that is listening to the event that starts the skill and change the event name to lead gen 2. Don't forget to click Run to deploy your changes to the cloud. Now I want to customize this flow. I will remove the part that asks for the company name and I will remove the part that asks for the phone number. So let's see where it is. May I have your name, please? Save into username. What is your primary objective? Okay, we don't need this. So I can choose these blocks and hit delete. Then the name of your company and how big is your team. I also do not need this, so I'm deleting this. I will need this email part and I do not need this phone number part. So I will remove these blocks too. Now I just have to connect the blocks again. I'm connecting my listen block to my text block and my email block to another text block. And then you can change the messages that are sent by your chatbot when the lead generation sequence is completed by your customer. For example, in this text block and here in the beginning with welcome and I'm bot name and so on. To make it easier to understand, let's move these blocks here. Yeah, so now we have another version of our lead generation sequence that is triggered by another event, lead gen 2. Again, please pay attention. When you are duplicating skills, don't forget to change the event name. Otherwise, both of your skills will be triggered by the same event and will start running simultaneously when this event happens. And then I'm editing my sequence for my new needs. If I click Run to deploy the changes to the cloud and then test your chatbot, I can see how it works, triggering this new skill / lead gen 2. And you can see that instead of asking for my company name and team size and so on, the bot jumps straight to may I have your email. So now you have two different lead generation skills in your chatbot. One is in the lead gen 1 skill and another is in lead gen 2 skill. And you can drive traffic from different sources to each of these skills independently. We will look into how this can be achieved in the next video. Thank you and have a great time with ActiveChat.